Okay, this is my first time making a wig. Well, not really making a wig, but I'm revamping a wig that I already have. What I did was I removed the lace front and I'm going to replace it with a new lace front. Please click like. Please feel free to share. And let's go in. This is my first time doing this. Please feel free to leave any comments below. And let's begin. But what I'm doing is I'm basically going to pin down the frontal first before I actually sew. I gotta pin down the frontal into place. Now, when you buy your wigs and you're spending $300, $400 and up on a wig, and you want to preserve your wig, you don't want to have to go buy a whole brand new wig, the best thing is to basically remove the frontal, and if you can, replace it with a new one. So that's what we're doing today. So right now I'm just securing the frontal to the wig before I actually sew it down. All right, I'm going to show you close up. Okay, all right, I did that side and now I'm doing this side. All I'm doing is securing the frontal. Just securing the frontal. Now you want to pin it down first, and you want to use it as a guide so you know exactly where you're going to sew. Again, I'm going to make sure I say this over and over again through the video. Let you know that this is my first time. All right, there we go. So I've secured the wig with T-pins, as you can see, right? It's secured all the way around, right? Just give me 1 second. I'll be back. I'm going to start to sew.